So here exercise 5.3, in that question number 1, find the sum of the following APs. Here some APs he has given. We have to find out the sum of all the terms of that AP. So for example, we will take the first portion. Here the AP is given as 2, 7, 12 and this is up to 10 terms. So this is 10 terms. So what he has given, A is equal to 2, that is the first term, and D can be calculated as second term minus first term, that is 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5. And number of terms he has given, that is n is equal to 10 he has given. So we have to find out the sum of all these terms, that is up to 10 terms. So we know the formula for calculating the sum is equal to, that is Sn, it is equal to n divided by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for calculating the sum of all the terms of a AP. So here S of n is equal to, n is number of terms, that is 10 divided by 2 into bracket 2 into a is 2. So plus n means again 10 minus 1. So d means 5, bracket close. So Sn is equal to, this is 5 to the bracket 2 into 2 4 plus 10 minus 1 9, 9 into 5, 9 5 is 45. Okay. So Sn is equal to 5 into 49. So Sn is equal to 9 5 is 45, 4, 5 4 is 20 and 4 24. So this is 245. Okay. So we'll go for second one. Second portion, minus 37, minus 33, minus 29. This is up to 12 terms. So what are the given? That is A is equal to first term, that is equal to minus 37, and n is equal to 12 because up to n terms. So here D we have to calculate as second term, that is minus 33, minus of first term, that is minus 37. So here minus 33, so plus 37 is equal to 4. So 4 is the common difference. So now we will put a formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 to the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here Sn is equal to, n means 12, 12 divided by 2 to the bracket 2 into minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 into d. d is 4. So Sn is equal to 6 into 2 into 37 means this is minus 74. So plus 12 minus 1, 11, 11 4 is 44. So Sn is equal to 6 into, that is minus 30. So Sn is equal to minus 180. Okay. 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, and this is up to 100 terms. Here up to 100 terms. So n is equal to 100. So A is equal to 0.6. Okay. So D is equal to second term, this is 1.7 minus 1.6 minus 0.6. So 761.1. So this is 1.1. So D is equal to plus 1.1. So now we will put a formula, that is Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is equal to 100 divided by 2. So 2 into 0.6 to the bracket, here n means 100 minus 1 into 1.1. Okay. So this is equal to 100 by 2 is equal to 50. 2 into 0.6, 1.2. Okay. Here 100 minus 1, 99. 99, this is plus. Okay. 99 into 1.1, that is 99, 11, 9, 9, and here 99. So 9, 18, 1089, that is 108.9. Okay. So here 1.2 will be added here. So here 1. Okay. 110.1. So 50 into 110.1. 50 into 1101. 1101. So here, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 5 ones are 5, 0, 5, 5. So here 0, 5, 0, 5, 5. Okay, this is point. So 5505. So the answer will be 5505. This is the sum of the all the terms. So now we will go for fourth one. So fourth one, here 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10. This is up to 11 terms. Okay. So n is equal to 11, a is equal to 1 by 15. So d is equal to, we have to calculate, that is 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. So the LCM will be, so here 12 and 15, the LCM for this one will be here 12, 15. So 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. And this 4 and 5, they cannot be simplified again. See, this is 5. So here again 5, this is 1 1. So the LCM will be 3 into 4 into 5. So 5 4s are 20, 20 into 3, 60. So LCM will be 60. So 60, 12 5s are 60, minus 15 4s are 60. So 5 minus 4, this is equal to 1 by 60. So this is common difference. So now we will put a formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So which is equal to, n is equal to, so 11 divided by 2, 2 into 1 divided by 15 plus n means again 11 minus 1, d means 1 by 60. So we will solve for this one. So 11 by 2, here 2 by 15, so plus 10 into 1 by 16, this is 10. So this is equal to 1 by 6. So 11 by 2, here 15 and 6 LCM. So here 15, 6, here 3 5s are, 3 2s are. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So 30 will be the LCM. So 15 2s are. So 2 into 2, 4. This is 6 5s are. Okay. So now 11 by 2 into 9 by 30. Okay. So 3 3s are 3 10. So 11 into 3, 33, 2 into 10, 20. Okay, this is the answer. This is equal to Sn. So here, find the sums given below. So here first question we will take. So 7 plus 10, 7 plus 10, 1 by 2, plus 14, plus up to plus 84. So here, number of terms he has not mentioned. So a is equal to 7 he has given. So what he has asked, I have to find out the sum of this series. So here, so a is equal to 7. So d can be calculated as, this is the second term. Okay, 10 into 2, 20, 21 by 2 minus 7. Okay, so here 2 is the LCM, 21 minus 14. So 7 by 2. This is d. An value he has given. An is equal to 84 he has given, because this is the last term. So by using An and d and a, we have to calculate the number of terms first. So here An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so An he has given, that is 84. So a means 7 plus n minus 1, that only we have to calculate, into d, that is 7 by 2. So n minus 1 into 7 by 2 is equal to 84 minus 7. So n minus 1 is equal to 84 minus 7 means here 77. Okay, into 7 by 2 will become 2 by 7. So 7 1s are 7 11s are. So n minus 1 is equal to 11 into 2, 22. So n is equal to 23. So we got the n value. So here n is equal to 23 we got. So now we will solve for that sum of this series. So here sum of Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so Sn is equal to, n means 23 divided by 2, 2 into 7a plus n means 23 minus 1 into d means 7 by 2. Okay, so Sn is equal to 23 divided by 2 into bracket 14 plus here 22. So 22 into 7 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 11s are 11 into 7 77. 77 plus 14 which is equal to 87 91. This is 91. Okay. This is 23 divided by 2. Sn. Okay. Sn is equal to 23 into 91 divided by 2. So the value for this one is equal to, so here 23 into 91 is equal to 2093 divided by 2. Sn can be calculated as 2 ones are here, 2 fours are 8, so 13, 2 6 the, this is 0.5. So Sn is equal to 1046.5. We'll go for next one. So here in the second one, 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus up to this is 10. So here also an value he has given 10. So a value is equal to first number which is equal to 34. So d is equal to 32 minus 34. So which is equal to minus 2. So now we have to calculate the sum, that is Sn we have to calculate. So to calculate Sn we need, see here Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So for this we know a, we know d, but we don't know n. N value we don't know. So for that we have to calculate first n value. That is by using the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to, that is 10. So 10 is equal to a means 34 plus n minus 1 into d is into minus 2. So minus 2 into n minus 1 is equal to 10 minus 34. So n minus 1 is equal to 10 minus 34 will be minus 24 divided by minus 2. So minus minus cancel, 2 1 2. So n minus 1 is equal to 12. So n is equal to 13. Okay. So we got n value. So after that we have to calculate the sum. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is equal to 13 divided by 2 into 2 into 10 plus n means here 13. 13 minus 1, that is 12 into d means minus 2. Okay. So Sn is equal to 13 divided by 2. So 20. So here minus 12 into 2, 24. Okay. Sn is equal to 13 by 2 into minus of Sn is equal to 13 by 2 into minus 2. That is 2 cancel. So minus 13. So the sum of this series is equal to minus 13. So now third one. The first one a is equal to minus 5. An he has given again minus 230. So d we have to calculate. What is the d? D is minus 8 minus of minus 5. That is first term minus second term. So which is equal to minus 8 plus 5. So here it is equal to minus 3. Okay. So now Sn we have to find out. So for finding Sn we need number of terms, that is n we want. So for that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an we got it, that is minus 230, which is equal to a is minus 5. So plus n minus 1 that we have to calculate. D is equal to minus 3. So here minus 3 into n minus 1 which is equal to minus 230 minus of minus, that is plus 5. So minus 3 into n minus 1 is equal to, so here minus 225. Okay. So n minus 1 is equal to minus 225 divided by minus 3. So minus minus cancel. 3 ones are 3 sevens are 21. So 3 fives are. So n minus 1 is equal to 75. Okay. N is equal to 76. So after finding n value, we have to calculate the sum. Sum is equal to same formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is equal to, n means 76 divided by 2, that is 2 into minus 5 plus n is equal to 76 minus 1 means 75 into d means minus 3. So Sn is equal to 76 by 2 means 2 ones are 2 3 is 6, 2 8 is. So this is 38 into 2 into minus 5 means minus 10. So minus 3 5 is 15, 1, 3 7 is 21, 22. This is. So Sn is equal to 38. So here minus minus they are adding minus 235. So Sn is equal to 38 into minus 235, which is equal to, this is equal to multiplication, minus 8930. So this is the value. So now we will go for next question. So here this is exercise 5.3 in that question number 3. So given A is equal to 5, D equal to 3, An is equal to 50, find N and Sn. So here first one, given A equal to 5, D equal to 3, An is equal to 50, and we have to find N and Sn. For finding N, that is number of terms, we have to use this formula, that is An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. He has given this 50 is equal to 5 plus N minus 1 into D is 3. So 3 into N minus 1 is equal to 50 minus 5. So 3 into N minus 1 is equal to 45. Okay. N minus 1 is equal to 45 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3 1, 3 5s are 15. So N minus 1 is equal to 15. So N is equal to 16. Okay. So after finding N, we have to find out the Sn. Sn is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So here N is equal to 16 divided by 2. 2 into 5 plus 16 minus 1 into D. D means 3 here. So here 16 by 2 means 8 into 10 plus 15 3 is 45. Okay. So 55. This is total 55. This is 8 into 55, which is equal to 44. 440. So sum is equal to 440. So second one. So here A is given, A13 is given. So find D and S13. So A is equal to 7 means A13 is equal to 35. Okay. So we will put formula for A13. A13 is equal to A plus 12D. Okay. So we know A13 and A, we have to calculate D. So A13 is equal to 35, which is equal to 7 plus 12D. So 12D is equal to 35 minus 7. So D is equal to 28 divided by 12. So 2 6 is 12, 2 14. So 2 3, 2 7. So D is equal to 7 divided by 3. Okay. So now we have to calculate S13, that is 13 sum. So here number of terms means N. N is equal to 13 here. Okay. So 13 divided by 2. So 2 into A, that is 7, plus N minus, N means here 13 terms. So 13 minus 1 into D. D means 7 by 3. So 13 divided by 2 into 14 plus 12 into 7 by 3. Okay. So 3 1s are 3 4s are 12. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 14, that is 42. This is equal to 13 divided by 2 into 42. So 2 1s are 221. So here 13 into 21, that is Sn is equal to 13 into 21, which is equal to 273. Okay. So now third one. So here given A12 is equal to 37, D equal to 3. So we have to find out A and S12. Okay. So now first A12 formula, this is A plus 11D. Okay. So A12 he has given. So D also he has given. We have to find out A first. So A12 is equal to 37, which is equal to A plus 11 into 3. Okay. So here A is equal to 37 minus 11 3 is 33. So A is equal to 4. Okay. So after finding A, we have to calculate S12. S12 means there are 12 number of terms are there. That is equal to N is equal to 12. Okay. So S12 is equal to n divided by 2, that is 12 divided by 2. S12 is equal to 12 divided by 2, that is n by 2 into 2a. 2 into a means we have calculated here 4 plus n means 12 minus 1 into d. D he has given, that is 3. So 12 by 2 means 6 into 2 into 4 8 plus 12 minus 1 11, 11 into 3 33. Okay, 33 plus 8 41, 41 into 6, this is 6 into 41. So 6 4 is 24. This is Sn or S12. S12 is equal to 246. So now we will go for fourth one. In this fourth question, so given A3 is equal to 15, S10 is equal to 125. So only two values he has given. So find D and A10. So first we will use this formula, that is A3 is equal to A plus 2D. This we know. Okay. So this 15 is equal to A plus 2D. This we know. After that S10 he has given, that is 125. So S10 formula is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What are the values we know? We know only 125, this S value, S10 value. So here S10 is equal to 125. So n is equal to what? This is 10. Because S10 means there are 10 terms are exists, that is 10 divided by 2. So 2a plus n means 10, 10 minus 1 is 9, 9d. Okay. So here 2 into 125, this 2, 5. Okay. 2a plus 9d is equal to 125 divided by 5. Okay. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are. So 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. See here, this is one equation, that is a plus 2d is equal to 15. This is one equation and this is second equation. So by using these two equations we can calculate a and d. So now we can use this substitution method. A is equal to 15 minus 2d. Okay. So this value we can substitute in this equation, that is 2 into 15 minus 2d, so plus 9d is equal to 25. So 2 into 15 30 minus 4d plus 9d is equal to 25. Okay. Minus 4d plus 9d. How much it is? 5d. This is 5d plus 5d is equal to 25 minus 30. Okay. So d is equal to minus 5 divided by 5. So 5. This is 1. So d is equal to minus 1. So after finding d, you can substitute in a, that is a is equal to 15 minus 2 into minus 1. So a is equal to 15 plus 2. That is a is equal to 17. So a we know, d we know. So then what we have to calculate? This d we got it. So now a10, that is a of 10 we have to calculate. That is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a10 is equal to a means 17 plus n means here 10 terms are there into d means minus 1. So here a of 10 is equal to 17 minus, this is 10 minus 1 will be 9, 9 into 1 9 minus 9. So a of 10 is equal to 17 minus 9, which is equal to 8. So this is a10 is equal to 8. Okay, now we will go for next one. Here given d is equal to 5 and s9 is equal to 75. So s9 means there are number of terms equal to 9. So find a and a9. This is a is equal to what and a9 is equal to what. So here to find a, we will use this formula. S9 is equal to n by 2, that is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S9 he has given value, that is 75 is equal to n means there are 9 terms are there, that is 9 by 2. So 2 into a, this only we have to find out. plus n minus 1, that is 9 minus 1, into d. D means he has given 5. So 75 into 2, that is 150, is equal to 9 into 2a plus this is 9 minus 1, 8. 8 into 5, 40. Okay. So here 2a plus 40 is equal to 150 divided by 9. So 2a is equal to, here 3 3s are 3 5s are 15, this is 0. So 50 divided by 3, here minus 40. Okay. So 2a is equal to, 3 is the LCM, 50 minus 120. Okay. So 2a is equal to, this is what, minus 70 divided by 3. Here a is equal to 70 by 3, that is minus 70 divided by 3, here into 1 by 2, that is 2 ones are 235. So a is equal to minus 35 by 3. This is the value. So now what we have to calculate? Now a9 we have to calculate. That is a9 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a9 is equal to, a means minus 35 divided by 3 plus n means this is 9 minus 1 into 5. a9 is equal to minus 35 divided by 3 plus 9 minus 1, 8. 8 into 5, 40. So here LCM you can take. So this is minus 35. So plus 3, 120. a9. So a9 is equal to minus 35 plus 120. a9 is equal to, so here a9 is equal to, this is 85, that is plus 85 divided by 3. Okay. So this is the value. So here 6th portion we will see a is equal to 2, d is equal to 8 and sn is equal to 90. So here we have to find out n and an. So we don't know number of terms. So first we will see Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, here we know Sn and n we don't know, a we know and d also we know. So only thing is n we have to calculate. So Sn we will substitute 90 is equal to n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 8. So here 90 is equal to n by 2, here 4 plus 8n minus 8. Okay. So 90 is equal to n divided by 2, here 8n minus 4, because minus 8 plus 4 means minus 4. So now we will cross multiplication. 90 into 2, here this is 180. 180 is equal to 8n square minus 4n. So here 8n square minus 4n minus 180 equal to 0. This is the one equation. Okay. So now this is a quadratic equation. This we will divide by 4 so that it will be easy. 2n square, that is 4 by 8 by 4 is 2. So minus n. So minus 4 4s are 16. Okay. 4 5s are 20. So which is equal to 0. So now 45 into 2 factorization will take, that is 45 into 2. So here 3 ones are 3 5s are, this is 2 only. Okay. 2 1 into 15. Okay. 3 5. So this is 5 1. So the factors are 2 3 3 and 5. Okay. 5 3 is a 15. So 3 2 is a 6. Okay, this is not possible. So 3 3 is a 9. 5 2 is a 10. So 9 and 10 are possible. So 45 into 2 is 90. So here 9 into 10 is 90. So 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. So 2n into n minus 5 plus 9 into n minus 5 is equal to 0. So 2n minus 2n plus 9 and here n minus 5 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 5 one term So 2n plus 9 equal to 0. So n is equal to minus 9 by 2, another term. Okay, here number of terms cannot be minus. So hence n equal to 5 we will take. So n is equal to 5. So now an we have to calculate. So here n we got. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is equal to what? Okay, 2 plus n, this is 5 minus 1 into d means 8. Okay, so an is equal to, so 2 plus 4 into 8, 32. So an is equal to 34. Okay, this is the solution.